there. Hi there. Ho there. Welcome. Gord, you're hurting hippie. To a river walk. Yes, we're on our way to the river. Hey, we need this kind of break from all this stress this week about the Freedom Convoy. This is likely going up on Sunday morning once I get it edited. So if there are updates, it is Saturday morning for me, and if there are updates to the trucking situation, I'll put them here. And I'll just quickly say that so far there's only been a few violent things that have been non-trucker related. Ottawa is peaceful right now. There's tens of thousands of people lined up ready for this to happen. People are happy. Canadians are uniting, and our government is still arguing. And that's all we're going to say today. Hey. Right now, -1. No, right now is +1. Feels like -2. The sun is beautifully, brilliantly bright, as you can tell. And the river is probably just as pretty. So for now, let's head down to the river. I'll talk to you there. I'll figure out what I'm going to say, and I'm going to keep it off any kind of stressful topic. We'll just have some fun, and then we'll have a nice piece of music and a whole bunch of visuals, and then I'll finish off like most of my vlogs go. So friends, remember, freedom is apolitical. Let's go to the river. That was quite a trip, my friends, and look where it landed me. Pure ice. Pure ice. I have never seen the river like this in the winter. And friends, look what we have right here. Let me get some seed. They're here right away. I was going to say, stay tuned. I'm sure you're going to see the birds. But now, for sure, you're going to see them. I've never seen the river so high. I'm just going to hold my hand out because that bird came by and I think is going to tell its friends. Or it may just disappear and we'll see the birds later. Meanwhile, I want you to look at that. The river has never been this high in the middle of winter that I've ever seen in my years here. That island, you can't get to it like that in the summer when the river's high. But in the winter, for it to be ice between it and mainland is amazing. Is amazing. No, the birds said hi and then went away. So I suggest you all stick around, watch the montage, because absolutely for sure there's some beauty, there's some very awesome stuff and awe-inspiring, and some good photography. And you know what? In this kind of world that we're going through so much stress, now's the time to strike up something and turn on the music. And here we are, back where the whole montage began. Folks, I'm on top of Bridgeland Station, train station, about 5 or 6 blocks from my house. And not too out of breath for somebody who just climbed all of that. And if you watch the music, the montage, watch the montage, listen to the music and watch the montage, you saw I found my birds. They were waiting for me. In fact, they came to me a couple of times. I only recorded it once. Hang on, I'm about to walk past people and we'll finish this video up. Hang on. I absolutely can't stand walking through that spot. A lot of vagrants stay there overnight and pee and other things. Hang on, more people. And stairs. Near the bottom of the stairs, the people are all away, and I can finish this walk. Hey, hey. Friends, it's been a beautiful day. It's absolutely gorgeous outside, and there have been no serious reports of anything bad. And as I said, if there were, between then and the time you see this, it will be added somehow post-edit. So, I want to thank y'all for being a part of today. There's it. Hey, Maggie. Hey, Maggie. Magpie. Anyways, friends, too many people. I got many more things to do, and I still have to edit and put this all together. Thank you for being a part of our day. Hey, hey. Love y'all. See ya at Sunday night live show. Peace.